Hello, thank you for choosing GFX Bandits IT Solutions to provide you with a bulk email solution. For logging into your panel, you need to visit bulkemail.gfxbandits.com. Press enter. Now enter the email ID and password provided to you over email or WhatsApp. If you've forgotten your password, you can click on Forgot Password, put in your email, submit, and you will receive the new password on your mail. Enter your email ID and password, press login. Now you are on your dashboard. To see the credits, go on the top right corner, press the icon as shown. You will be able to see the limit of emails you can send. The first thing that we need to do is make a list. For that, click on list. Now you see there are no lists created as of now. Press on create new. Here you need to fill in the details, the general data, the display name, the description, by default the values here should be single opt-in, single opt-out. The default name, email, reply to have already been present. You just need to enter the subject line of the email. This subject line is what will be visible in the mail. No other alteration needs to be done. Go to the bottom. Company details will have to be mentioned. You will have to put in your company name, the country, the address line, city, zip code. Please note all marked with asterisks are compulsory fields. You can choose your field if you are a manufacturer, if you are retailer, e-commerce, education and training. You can select this wide variety of options from the drop down. Once you are done, go to the bottom, press the button Save Changes. It shows a notification your form has been successfully saved. Now to see the list created, again press on the icon list, click on lists, and here you can see your first list created. Thank you for watching the video. In the next video, we'll be showing you how to add or import contacts or emails in the list. Thank you.